Goods na. So, okay man akong tingog class na madungog ninyo class. Kung tingog. Dungog na. Okay, sige, let's start now with our review in the final term examination. So, I hope you will pass, no, the final examination. And don't worry, no, in the final examination, um, multiple choices yun siya. And sa yun ra yun siya, no, kay tanan nga mga topics is natudlo na ko siya. No, pwera lang dito sa last topic, no, about the motivation. So, kamo na lay busahon na lang to ninyo, no. Eh, dali ra man po to siya itong motivation. It's all about theories raman to siya. Sige, let's start now with our discussion. So, we have, in our examination, so included po yung organizing. So, in the organizing, so balikan na to, no, what is the definition of organizing. So, it's all about the managerial function of arranging work, no? Arranging the rules and also establishing the authority and relationship to achieve the organizational goals and efficiently and effectively. So more in organizing and is more in assigning, no, more in kanang arranging. So root word na is arrange, no, the task, arrange the rules and establishing the authority. And the key concept of the organizing, so it's all about the relationship, no, and includes sa mga activities, ang mga decision making, and the relationship among the employees. So, ito, no, ensures coordination, efficiency for the achievement of the goals of the company. So, next naman, natin mga principle of organization, no. Dili siya organizing, no, kung dili organization na po, no. So, una, no, we have the authority and responsibility. So, pag you have the authority, napod kay responsibility. So, the authority must match, no, the responsibility assigned. That's why class, no, pag na kay mga pagkakamali and you are in the authority, no, so you are responsible with your outcome. Muna yun na siya, no. Unity of command gani, unity of command pasabot ana tong one boss, one employee, no. Muna, one employee, one boss. So each employee should receive orders from only one superior. Kung employee ka, na kay leadman, na kay supervisor, no, kabalo ka kung kinsay manugot nimo, kinsay mong manager, kinsay mo sugot nimo. No, one employee, one boss. And the scalar principle naman, there should be a clear line of authority, no, top to bottom. Okay, kanang mga scalar principle class, kanang parang organizational structure, no. Kinsang president, kinsang vice president, no. So, should be a clear line of authority. Departmentation naman, katong inaingon na to, grouping of similar activities into department. Natay HR department, natay accounting department, na ay ginatawag to budget department, operational department, no? So, parang sa Pilipinas, di ba, na ay Department of Education, Department of Energy, and that is departmentation. Nagets niya, students? Hello? Sino wala ko? Napamudra. Nabayo ko din sa kuan. Naka-spot lang ko ang hinay. Okay, mayo. Yes lang, no, kay kuan. Naka-spot lang mood ko. Medyo hinay ang ako ang signal. Okay. So, yun. Next naman, dali naman efficiency, no? So, no need to discuss this one, no? We have the formal versus informal organization. Basta formal gani class, muna itong ginaingon, no? Structured siya, no? Role-based, na ay polisiya, na ay polisiya, na ay rules, na ay regulation, na ay balaod, no? And we have the clear authority. That is formal, no? Kaning mga informal gani is mga relationship lang ni, no? Based on the relationship, kung ingon tag um ikaw ba imuon ti ka og kaning imuon ti ka og kanang manager kay friend tika. That is informal organization, no? And no strict of hierarchy. Malibog ang kasagaran ni malibog ang trabahante, no? Kung kinsa ang ilang manager, kinsa ilang boss, kay dili man siya scholar principle kay kon man informal man. No? So pag ganun mga formal gani structure siya pasabot na siya organizational structure, and also in the organizational structure gani kung naay mo example lang magbakasyon ang isa ka manager, na yun ay formal nga kanang pag-transfer gud sa as OIC, no? So na yun ay black and white na mga paper, no? So rule based, no, clear authority. Kanang mga informal, okay, mostly naaran ni mga informal, no, sa mga kanang mga gagmay nga mga organization. O kanang yung mga formal is mga big company na example lang Kadiko, no, that is formal na, no. Even the stikas, no, is formal. Even our LGU is formal na siya, structured na siya, no. Kinsa ang baba ni mayor, no, vice mayor, sunod na yung mga sangguniang bayan, no, that is formal, no. So we have the authority delegation. So the authority, no, pag authority gani, you have the right to command, you know. You have the right to give orders. You have the right to make decisions. Responsibility, you uh, you have the obligation to perform the assigned task. Responsibility na nimo, no, to do the task, and obligado ka na, and that is responsibility. Accountable, no, you are answerable, no, for the results, so being answerable for the results. Di ba may balikan nato, no, tong about sa confidential fund, no, sa tuwang vice president, no. So isa man siya dito nga ni perma, no, pag-release sa confidential fund, no, kabalo sa gigasto. So accountability na siya, class, no, manubag din siya, even mga congressman, even ang president, no, being answerable for the results, lain kung sa matong impeach, no. Kung ikaw congressman, ikaw no, ikaw naka sa kwarta, no, eh syempre ikaw may nagperma na, last perma man nimo, you are accountable. Accountability, no? Being answerable for the results. Okay, next naman delegation. So the delegation, defining the task, no, ay signing the responsibility, grant authority, establish accountability. So delegation, you are delegated, no, as the manager. So naano na si mo, no, task, assigning responsibility, grant authority, and establish accountability. Next naman, centralization and decentralization. Pag centralization gani, ang decision making anak class nasa top level, no. Mura ni siya og autocratic. Pag top level yun, ingon ng top level nga, okay, buhatan eh, okay, so that is centralization. Tanang mga decision making is maghulat yun na in the top level. Decentralization, naka-departmentation ni siya, no. So the authority, you have the right to command, you have the right to give orders, you have the responsibility. So that is decentralization, no. Distributed siya to the lower levels, pwede siya i-departmentation, no. That is authority. Napa mo dra? Napa? Okay, napa day. Basta na nako kay apoy mong gadugkuhan. Isa-isaon ba to? So the advantage of decentralization mas faster. Tama. No, faster on decision and the employee empowerment. Inga naman class, dili nang baya ka magulat, no. You cannot wait the decision from the top level management. So decentralization is you have syempre kay naka-departmentation man. So you have the authority to give orders. You have the authority to make a decision making to make a decisions, no, with regards to your company. So yan, no, faster siya, hindi na makamaghulat, no, manawag pa ka boss sa problema dre, no, at sa may ikuan so wala na siya, no, ikaw na bahala dala kay na decentralization man na. So the disadvantage na is possible, no, inconsistent decision making, kay ano man na kuan man siya inconsistent tungod kay kung naka-departmentation man, no, so kaning nga department lahi ang iyang pag-decide, kaning nga department lahi, so inconsistent yun ang mga decision making kay without a consulting man doon sa top level management yan. Staffing naman, katong mga staffing, it's about the process of acquiring, development, maintaining competent workforce to achieve the goals. So, naatay recruitment, no? Okay, kaning recruitment, di ba? Itong yun ako sa inyo, recruitment and selection. That the recruitment is the process of attracting the potential candidate. Attracting, so pasabutan you need to recruit, no? The potential candidate. Dahil po, dili potential na, samok-samok lang na sa tuwang organization. Natay duha ka process, no? Sa sources day in the recruitment, natay ginatawag og internal sources and the external sources. Internal sources, promotion and transfer. Okay. Internal, so pasabot na class inside the company. No need to hire outside na po. Pag merong, kung naghawa si manager, then naatay na tawag og vice manager, siya na lang ato ang i-promote as the manager, no? Pag transfer naman, you are transfer, no? Tungod kay you have the potential to become a accounting, then accounting staff ka sa una, so transfer na siya, i-transfer lang ka na for the same company. That is internal. External gani class na ay mga job portals, Facebook, so man, job seeker, anong mga ba, mga job websites, no? The portals mo na siya. Campus recruitment, pwede po, in a company recruitment ka na kung outside, no? Naka-bulletin board. External na siya, no? Advertisement, di ba usahay ang GMA gani? Nag-advertise na sila nga mag-recruit na sila online. Ay, in their, in their television, no? So, that is external, no? You are hiring outside. No? So, dagan mag-apply yan. So, kaning selection process, so, in the selection process, natay unom, no? Okay. Kanang unom class, so una is application of screening, no? Okay, so mag-apply ka. Application of screening, if you are the HR, no? Screen mo ang tong mga papel. Screening mo mga papel kung who is the best or suited to be interviewed, no? For the preliminary interview. Kaya dali pa lang daan class, kung bagsak na sa screening, for example, hiring ka ng driver, then ang nag-apply is dili day driver. So, ipang remove nito nimong dili siya qualified. So, after that, no, pag makita nimo na screen na yung mga papers, so that is preliminary interview. After in the preliminary interview, natay ginatawag og testing, no? Aptitude, intelligence, skills. For example, you are hiring accountant na in the BDO. So, lain po og wala kay intelligence na, no? So, naadyo na no intelligent test and the skill test, no? So, munang magpa-bright yung kasi banda. And the final interview, reference check, no? And the reference check, tawagan na tong mga kuan katong boss nimo. For example, si Joyce nag-apply siya, last time niyang trabaho na siya sa BPI. No, karon i-sure na to nga si Joyce is kuan siya, accounting siya sa BPI. Tawagan tong taga BPI. Ma'am sir, unsa may background ani ni Joyce, no? Amo man na siyang kuan, janitress. Janitress yung apply man nag-accounting diri. So, i-sure yun na nila. That is background checking. And the placement and induction naman, after no, na ma-hire no, si Joyce. So, it means placement. Okay, Joyce, you are the accountant no, in the BDO. An induction naman, kanang induction is orientation na. Orientation. So, ipang-orient, no? Katong mga newly hired, no? Wala may dito nga na-hired nga walay orientation. Murag ako sa Mariner sa una, no? Pag hire na ko, duty ko pag Lunes, wala ka bro sa akong buhaton, no? Usang oras ang time in, usang oras mag time out. No, usa akong itudlo. So dapat dira sa induction na adyo na orientation. Pila man ka book ang allowed no nga absence, ang late, unsay mga punishment, no, unsay mga rewards. Now that is induction. Pila man ang imong salary per month. Muna na siya, induction na siya. Okay, training and development. Natay mga training and development, that is training improves no the current job performance of the employee. While the development naman, gina-prepare niya ang employees for the future responsibilities. Training, it's all about the skills, it's all about the performance. Pag development naman is preparing no the employee for the future responsibility. Pag si Christian no makitaan ng potential na maging manager no the future, so you are involved in the training and development. Okay, kanang development, you are preparing to become a manager soon and sooner. Mana siya. So, ito na yung differentiate na po, no? On the job training, apprenticeship, computer-based training, no? Of the job training. On the job training class, that is learning by doing. Learning by doing, according to, John Dewey, no? Learning by doing. Learning by doing class. Okay. Okay, i-assign ka dira, no? Without the boss, no? Ikaw lang dira, no? Logiti ka dira on the job training. So, dira lang ka gi-apply ka nga without ka nang looking, no, at you. Sa apprenticeship naman class is learning under a skilled worker. For example, maingon tag si Relance, ako ang iyang boss, no? So, na ako sa iyang kilid mag-check, no, mag-observe si Relance akong ginabuhat. No, naa siya kauban, skilled worker. That is apprentice. Ang computer-based training naman, efficient for large group. So, daga na kayo na. Of the job training naman, conducted outside the workplace. On the job training. On the job, okay, outside. Wala, outside lang yung of the job training mo. Okay, the importance of training naman. So, muna, syempre, mo improve yun, no? Employee skills. Di kayo mo kag training dito niya, nag-inom-inom ra mo. Training mo ya paggabi, lala ra mo dito, no? So, di na pwede. So, employee skills na. To improve the employee skills. And, of course, you are conducted by a training, no? So, may enhance po na imo ang productivity. For example, mingon ta og planta, di ba? Di ba na may training ana unsaon pag select og saging, unsaon pag butang og saging sa box, sa weigher ana, no. So syempre pag ikanda kag training, so increase yun productivity kay kabalo naman ka, di ba? And you are satisfied. First class ato pong i-add na lang, no, na confident. You are confident, di ba? Pag nakakanda kag training jud class, confident jud ka mabuhat. Confident ka. Isod mo ka, satisfied jud ka. Kung wala ka nakanda kag training, so na possibility nga magka-problema jud ta. So yun. And reduces errors and accident. Tama jud, no? Muna ikandak jud ang training. Okay, kasagaran baya jud, no, sa mga na dili baya tanan jud nga howd, no, na atay medyo mga clumsy, no. Atod nga istorya tanga. So the more nga danghag tanga is makakos siya og errors and accident. Take note, million ba atong gisgutan, no? Mga big company. Example lang, maingon ta og bangko. Dili pwede, no, si Apin pataka ra siya og balance. Na take note, Apin, no? Dili pwede nga pataka ra siya release og kwarta. Take note, million ang atong gisgutan re. Pwede jud ka, you are liable. Pwede jud ka ma-preso, Mary Joy. Presohon jud ka. Ako tag-iya sa video. Okay, so yan. The next naman, the performance appraisal. So the performance appraisal is the systematic evaluation of employee performance to improve the productivity and guide development. So performance appraisal man ka, so it means it's all about the systematic assessment, no, evaluation, monitoring. Naadjud kay kun ani kaning appraisal man, adjud kay mga rubric, no, rating scale, no, to check your employee. So apil na dira no, dili lang na siya all about the quantitative kana go mga rating scale ano. Para sa inyo ang ginabuhat sa mo ano na mamoy evaluation sa mga instructor. Kabutan ito 5 4 3 2 1. 5 is kuan strongly agree ba na? 5 is excellent, outstanding ba? Dili lang siya nga na ang kuan ha, ang appraisal kun dili natay feedbacking. Pwede yun siya i-qualitative type. For example, si Dayan, no, sige ra siya ka-late, no, sa panarbaho. So, pwede nyo i-quality type, no. Interview naman si Dayan. Dayan, no, manong nga naman imong kuan status, ah, 20 naman imong imong late, no, this month. So syempre motubag mo si Dayan nga, "Sir, mahal man kayong gasolina, sir, nagbaktas na lang ko." Di ba? That is appeal na, no? Tinawag ba yan? Baktas na lang ko. Mahal man kayong gasolina. Okay, so yun, no? Basta mo na, isa mo to. Isa to siya. Pariyulan. Isa mo tong may gawas sa sim gilid. Ay, dara na yung sigkalit. Di day sigdayan na yan. Ang mali, day kong example. Sige. Okay, next naman, number 2. Okay na na. Importante nga, wala ka na late. Okay, next. Identifies the strength and weaknesses. Okay. So, in the performance appraisal class, syempre, na monitor man mo ang isa ka trabahante is weakness niya ang kani nga trabaho. Okay, so yun, mag-provide jud ka og seminar. No, nga na jud ka importante ang appraisal. And strength naman, so ma-monitor po nimo sa iyang strength. And of course, pag strength kani, so makita nimo ang potential, no? Okay, kani ato ni himong manager pohon. So yan, you are identifying the strength and the weaknesses. And it support the promotion, no? For example, very productive si Zyril in his work, no, as accounting, 'di ba? So, puhon ma-promote jud ka, no? From accounting himuon kag janitor. Ba? Pero manager ka sa janitor. So, no, promotion. No? Next naman, compensation. Di ba maka-decide kag ina compensation? For example, to ginaingon ako, mga motor trading. Maingon tag Yamaha, maingon ta og sa mga Honda, mga motor trade, maingon tag na, no? So, in the compensation decision class, ang ilang sales performance is nag-base jud sila sa ilang napagawas, no, napautang nga motor. So that is compensation decision. So, it means the more nga daghan kog ma-release na pautang, so the more po niya na kay makuha nga compensation. So malipay sila nga daghan silang mapautang. So, yun. So in the methods of appraisal natay graphic rating, matmat yun no, graphic man, graphical man. Now first this distribution, critical incident method, yun essay method, no. And the common errors naman, the halo effect, no, one threat influence over all rating, leniency, giving everyone high ratings, focusing on recent performance. So na siya common errors, no, dili siya kuan maapoy kuan. For example, bias. For example lang, may nguntag si Almagor kay bias kay no kay kutob sa iyang mga parente, iyang ipang iyang mga kadugo, iyang himong 5. Si dili kod 5. 5 ang rating. So, biases. So, avoid na. No? And we have this 360-degree feedbacking. In a 360-degree feedbacking po, students, is dili lang isa ka tao ang mong in-interview. For example, may ngontag si Rika, no? Uh, siya itong i-evaluate. Then, ang ipangutana lang nimo is si Pariola na yung pangutana, no, about the performance of Rika. So, that is not a 360-degree feedbacking. For 360-degree feedback, kung mahimo ka ng employee, yung pangutanon. Unsay status anang ka, no? Outstanding man na siya sa iyang job performance. Sige ba nagka-late? O, kana, no? So that is 360-degree feedback. So next naman, leadership. What is leader? No? What is leadership? Leadership is your ability to influence and guide individuals for achieving the organizational goals. So it means you are a leader that influencing others. If you are not, kung di naka-leader na class, you are not influencing others, yun na siya. Pag leader gani ka, you are influencing others. Kana kung in every decision making nimo class, mo agree sila. Mostly mo agree ang imong mga members. Mga nang ginatawag na itong influencing others. So, di ka maka-influence sa uban. Ayun na pag leader. Na, apektado mo gana. Okay, so we have the leadership style, no? Pag autocratic, murag si Kim Jong-un, no? Autocratic to siya. Mag-ingon siya, bumbahan na to ng Pilipinas o nuclear nga bomba. Away mo sagang ana, no? Walay mo pugong sa iyang kasuko. So that is autocratic, no? The leader make decision alone. Diba ang ginapakita ni Trump karon is parang autocratic, na wala siya consultation, wala na siya kon decide yun siya, may siya sa ano yang state of Hormuz, sa yun na niya. Ano, so that is autocratic, no? Pangit na siya nga leadership, no? You are the leader, no, that make decisions alone. Democratic naman class, it involves group, it involves teams, it involves the members, no? Parang cooperative, no? Pag cooperative gani, dili ka maka-make of decisions without your members, without the members of the co-op. Wala siya. Leadership, wala siya democratic. Even in your classroom, di ba? Magpili mo mayor. Si Rizalda mo to, Rizalda mo to yung mayor. Di ba, nag-voting mo. Dili pod na siya maka-start, no? Magkoro man mo ana, dili man mag-start kung dili 50% plus 1. 50% plus 1, that is democratic. Okay. Laissez-faire naman, no? Minimal supervision and high autonomy. Kanang leader mo tanan. Pangit siya, no? Laissez-faire, no? Kaya naman, walay masunod. Ikaw ang masunod. Kay minimal supervision man. So, taas risky siya, no? And taas pud ang iyang potential to losing, no? For example lang, nang tukod na cooperative. Dili ta democratic, laissez-faire ang ato ang kuan pamaagi. Wala. Magsarado jud ato ang kuan. Kaya nga naman, all the members man kay leader man, no? Wala na matuman. Okay, so yun. And the leadership theory naman at ay threat threat theory, behavioral theory, and contingency theory. Pumunta na si BBM sa iyang contingency planning. Siya katarong tugbag no yung contingency planning. And we have the types of leader. We have the transformational leader and transactional. For me, no, I suggest no kanidre mo sa number 1. Transformational leader, that is you are inspiring others. You are inspiring change and innovation. Transactional, so it's all about focuses on the rewards and punishment. Kung you are productive, so you have your own rewards. Sige ka late, sige absent, punishment. So yun. Motivation naman, no, refers to the internal and external force that drives individual to achieve the goals. So the importance of the motivation na increase productivity, improves performance, enhances the employee satisfaction. If the employee class are well motivated po siya, no. So it means increase ang iyang productivity. No? If the employee is well motivated, it improves his or her performance. And it enhances employee satisfaction. Ang usahay pud class, no, sa mga employee na to is nabit ay mga employee, no, nga mga palautang, no, dahil utang. So kana siya class, apektado jud ang iyang motivation to work. Nung ganahan pabay ka mo trabaho nga imuhang OD nakapermente. Wala piliin sa mga sweldo. So that is no kanang apektado mo na. Kung ikaw ang manager, no, sa isa ka kuan, so kung nagapa-CE mo sa inyong kuan, so you need to control, no, the cash advance ng mga employee kay basing ma-OD. No, ako'y nakuha na sa una dito sa planta, no. Ang mga employee ay sobra ka OD. So pag OD, apektado ang iyang productivity, no, ang iyang performance and the satisfaction. Sige na lang siya giskot, uy, short man ko perminti, uy, you know. So kung ikaw ang manager class, you need to control, no, sa pag cash advance ng mga employee. Kay dili raman ta trabahante diri puhon mahimo mamong manager, di ba? So yun, motivation. And isa po sa mga makanindot po, no, sa motivation is mga team building programs, no. Year end, no, mga year end evaluation mo. So naamo na mga padagat mo, hanagod magpa outing, no. Pwede na siya, no, motivation na siya class na para pohon di jud na mahawa ang kuan employee. Okay, di na ko mahawa diri kay every year man, annually man di ay ang mga tuog Siargao. Sana all Siargao. Every year man ay mo atog Boracay, Palawan, or sa man na Camiguin, no, Bigan, Baguio. Bagyuhon bitaw ka dito, bitaw. So yun, no, that is motivation. So we have the theories, no, the goal setting theory, no, Maslow hierarchy of needs. Okay, ka Maslow man ni, no, sociological needs, safety and security. Under niya siya sa kwan ha, under niya siya sa motivation. No? Safety and security, love and belongingness, esteem, and the self-actualization. Okay, so yun. Next naman is the decision making, no. In the decision making, we have the decision making is the process of selecting the best course of action alternatives. O man katong mga 7 steps of decision making. Una, no, we need to identify the decisions. Kasi may dapat or tama nga decision making ani. Gather information, it means you are gathering relevant information. For example, na kay employee na sige na lang siya o absent na sa trabaho. Siyempre, mag-decide man ka, tanggalon or dili. No? So, mag-gather ka information. So, in gathering information, pwede ka mag-feedbacking. Pwede ka mag-ask, no, the specific employee, anong sige kag absent. No? So, yun, gathering information. And identify alternatives. Basig sige siya absent tungod kay layo ang trabahoan, mahal ang gasolina, o di na siya kasulod sa trabaho kay mahal ang gasolina. So, what if i-assign na lang nimo siya doon sa kanyang lokal? No, sa Tagum ta niya karon naman tay branch sa Santo Tomas. Sa Santo Tomas na siya ibutang. Muna identifying the alternatives. Evaluate the alternatives. Naman ka choices. No, plan A to plan D. So you need to evaluate, no? Choose the best alternative. After that, implement the decision, okay, and review the decision. After making the decision making, so you need to review talaga. Basit ka na imong decision making is wrong di ay. Parang katong Polye's 4 steps methods, no? So review and reflect. And that would be all. Thank you. Pangutana.